Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and we're going to be changing the start motor on this Spitfire. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery, leg first. We're going to loosen off the top 14mm bolt and the bottom one as well. Once you've loosened it off a bit, you'll need to put a spanner on the back of it there. Also, we're just going to quickly remove this electrical connector here, which is, I believe, a 10mm. Remove the oil pressure sensor wire as well. At this point, my dad wanted to have a go. And yeah, it is really awkward in there, I'm not going to lie, but you can eventually get it out. As you're removing it, you do have to do a bit of wiggly jiggly, and just be careful of the fuel lines and the brake lines. It comes out towards the tyre, like so. So to get it in, go at the same sort of angle you took it out at. You're going to have to try and move the fuel lines out of the way, and just be careful of the brake lines. Again, it is pretty difficult, but it is doable. Do the top nut and bolt up ever so slightly just to keep it in position, and then do the bottom one, which, as you can see, is really awkward. Replace the electrical connector. Right, so obviously this bit was snapped already, but if it wasn't, then you'd connect that back up. That's connected, then we're going to go and connect the battery back up. Right, so thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, check the comments out, and there's a playlist of all stuff Triumph Spitfire.